Did you know why your joints crack? It's not bones grinding. It's gas bubbles collapsing. Your joints are cushioned by synovial fluid, and when you stretch or twist, tiny gas pockets pop like mini balloons, making that crack. It's harmless, just your body's sound effects. Some say it's tension release, but science says it's all about pressure changes. Pro tip: keep moving to stay loose, but don't force it. Ever freaked someone out with a loud crack? Drop your story in the comments, I want to know. Follow for more snappy facts.